that sound. That's the sound of a misfiring engine. That's the sound of a misfiring engine. I know that because I've heard that sound of that similar. I've heard this little snowblower make a very similar noise to that noise. Yeah, that's backfiring. Misfiring. I think it may be faulty injectors. Ooh. Either that or that engineer knows I'm there. Wonder if they're running around their train. What about moving? Oh, that'd be so nice if the engineer blew the horn. Why is it misfiring so much? I mean, there's something wrong with it. But the question is, what's an engine from New York or Michigan or whatever doing all the way up here in Minnesota? What's it doing here? All the same, it's lovely.